At Lakeview Farms, we're building sophisticated main-level homes for your best years ahead. Regardless of whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone here at Lakeview Farms, Beaver County's only new ranch home community. With ranch-style floor plans that feature a first-floor owner suite and a two-car garage, we're proud to offer the best of main-level living. Inside, elegant granite or laminate countertops, stainless steel appliances, and bright cabinetry create a welcoming kitchen space. And from there, the family room flows effortlessly into the dining area, perfect for entertaining guests or spending weekends with the grandkids. With flexible living spaces come the option for an in-home office, perfect for scrapbooking or keep it as a bedroom for out-of-town guests. And gorgeous tree-lined home sites give you a space for a covered porch as well. Designed for an easier lifestyle, each home includes a walk-in shower, levered doorknobs, lowered light switches, wider hallways and doors, comfort height vanities and toilets, and the laundry room is just steps away from your owner's bedroom. Plus, with lawn care included, you can spend more time doing the things you love most. Your favorite Monaca and Center Township shopping and dining destinations are a short drive away at the Township Marketplace, where you can shop at Target or Lowe's or eat at Panera. Plus, the Beaver Valley Mall is only 3 miles away, so you can walk and stay active year-round. Take the next step and schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.